Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the WinRAR language in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to uninstall the WinRAR application, your current WinRAR application. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for the control panel. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match should appear in this window before we proceed, okay? Now, once it's here, please proceed on the best matched and double tap it to open. Now, once you are here in this window, if your view doesn't look like this, simply proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see their view by. Set it into large icons. Once you're done, please proceed on the programs and features. In my case, I have seen it here aligning at the first row next to mail. Click on it. The moment you do that, you need to navigate to WinRAR application, and the moment you've selected it, please click on uninstall to proceed. Okay? The moment you have uninstalled this WinRAR application, close the window as well as this, and please proceed at the button search bar. In my case, I want to remove my WinRAR application because I have set it into my specified language, okay? But if you have set it into a language that you don't understand, then I must recommend you to uninstall that so that we can install a new one in accordance to the language that you prefer or that you would understand. So here, please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window. And once it's here, please double tap to proceed. So just have to wait until you would be navigated or be redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself before we proceed, okay? Now, once you have bring up, let me just close this window. Once you have bring up the Google Chrome browser, you need to wait until everything are set here, okay? Once everything are set, please type here at the search bar. We'll type for WinRAR space download. Once you've typed that, click on enter so that you can be redirected to the list of results. So click on the first result or the top result which where you can download WinRAR and RAR latest version. Click on it. And from here, you can now download the WinRAR according to your language. So if you are an Arabic, go with this one. Armenian, Bulgarian, Chinese, English, or Finnish, or French. So any of the language is being placed here. So all you need to do is you need to click on the link along with the link that contains your language. Okay? So that's it. Once you have downloaded it, install it in your Windows and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.